Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing a toy, but you guys should be surprised. It's this toy. It's a cupcake and it has a brush. It's yellow, so we'll open it. I don't even know what it is. It's called Cupcakes. I don't know what it's called, but look what it says. That's it. I can't read cursive. This is so hard to open. Okay, it opened. So I'm going to open it like this as usual how you open cupcakes. So I have this, oh my god, so messy. So I have a cupcake here. And here's a brush. So I have a brush. And this is a cupcake, so let's take this. Oh, so pretty. It's a little dolly. Those stand up dollies, we can make it stand up. This light up. She has a little hat. Look at her, she's so pretty. She has a little bride's crown. She's a bride. So pretty. This is put on it. Look how pretty she is. I wonder if she has a name. Let's take a cotton start brushing her hair. She has nice soft hair. I want her hair to be nice for her wedding day. Look how pretty. Now time to put her crown. This is it, the doll. And that's basically it. We're going to change her back into a cupcake. See how easy that is to change her back into a cupcake? Let's put her little bride's crown on so she can wear it. And also brush her hair. Well, we can put this in here, and then you can easily put on the cupcake lid. Look how pretty. Let's see what her name is and what Lisa. We have this doll right here, and as you can see, you're gonna have a scent that smell. It smells so pretty. It's like a little scent. She smells good. Her hair, if you smell it, it smells good, like lemons. Mmm. So pretty. And such a pretty smell. So I think it's vanilla or lemons. This one's the rare. And this is her at the front. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Hope you enjoy. Bye, my beautiful unicorns. Bye.